2. I'm waiting on May, so I can get a little sunshine in my life. I'm counting those days till she comes to town. Looks so good in flowers, counting down those hours. I just can't wait for May to come my way. It's been a long, cold, lonely winter, dreaming of the days she kept me warm. Comes around once a year and I'll whisper in her ear, why can't you stay a few months more? But I'm waiting on May, so I can warm this ice cold heart of mine. The sky's turning from gray to a deeper shade of blue. No sweet without the sour, but no more gloom or dour. Ain't no time like now, I'm begging please. It's been a long, cold, lonely winter, dreaming of the days she kept me warm. Comes around once a year and I'll whisper in her ear, why can't you stay a few months more? But I'm waiting on May, so I get a little sunshine in my life. I'm counting those days till she gives my frown. When I see that sun a shining, ain't no